In this video, I will explain if you can charge two 18650 cells connected in parallel using this TP4056 module. I have this TP4056 module using with type C port. There is one it also comes with USB type with the micro USB. I have used this with these two cells to charge them. So it can charge these two parallel cells with 3.7 volts, but the problem is these cells are 3400 mAh, which is quite high capacity. These are original NCR 18650 cells. Because due to their high capacity, it took 5 hours for this TP4056 module to charge these two cells in parallel. So the answer if you can charge or not is that if the cells are of low capacity, like if the 18650 cell is below 1500 mAh, then you can charge two cells in parallel. If the capacity goes above 2000 mAh, then it will take quite a long to charge this module, to charge two parallel cells. So it will take quite long, as it took me 5 hours to charge these two parallel cells. So you can charge the cell, but it takes very long, and that is not very convenient. So you should not be using. So if you want to when these two cells are connected, you cannot use two modules, so you have to use only single module. So you have to use a different module, a different higher module to charge two parallel cell or three parallel cells. You can charge only one cell with this TP4056 module. So if you want to charge these high capacity cells, you will need to use this type of module. It is called type C 5 volts 2 ampere boost converter module. It has this type C for input, and this is for output, USB port, USB output port, and it also has this optional 5 volts. Here this is also output 5 volts, and here is the positive and negative for the cells. For example, this is positive and this is negative. This positive will go here and negative will go here to charge these two cells. So to charge these high capacity cells, the best is to use this type of module. This TP4056 module will take too long to charge these type of cells. It can charge these two cells again, but it will take too long. It took me 5 hours to charge these NCR cells, which are 3400 mAh. These are original cells, not a copy. Hopefully this video will help you to make, if you want to make a power bank module which have parallel cells, multiple parallel cells. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I will make another video to make a to make this power bank using this module. So subscribe, and I will make this video in the coming days. Thank you.